Welcome to the University of Memphis. This video will be a short tutorial on how to create a points gradebook in the university's learning management system Desire to Learn, or more commonly referred to as eCourseware. Begin by logging into your course and clicking on the Grades tool. Start by using the Setup Wizard. You can always come to this Setup Wizard to see your current settings. You can use the Setup Wizard to make changes as necessary. To make changes, click Start. The first step is to select the grading system. For this tutorial, we will choose Points. Then press Continue. Which type of final grade do you want to release to students? For this tutorial, we will choose Calculated Final Grade. You will be able to adjust item scores later as needed. Then press Continue. In the grade calculation step, you are able to select whether you want to drop ungraded items or treat them as 0. We will choose to treat ungraded items as 0. Highlight the button next to the choice you prefer before you go on to the next step. You can always come back and change these settings. Then, on this same step, you may want to check the box to keep the final grade automatically updated. If this box is checked and you make any changes to your grade items, the system will automatically update for you. If you don't check this box, you will need to manually update from within the gradebook after every change to any grade item setting. Choose Continue when you are finished with this step. We will use the percentage scheme for this tutorial. It is the default grade scheme. You will not need to move the button if you choose this option. You can also use the final letter grade scheme if you want to, and you can click on the preview icon if you want to see how those letter grades are broken down. Choose Continue. Manage your view. The default for decimals displayed is 2. This does not change the equation for calculating grades, which is system-wide. This only changes how many are visible. Choose Continue. The student display options are next. Let's allow students to view the points grade. You can also change the number of decimal places visible when students view their grades. And you can change the number of characters to display for text items. You can allow students to see how their final grade was calculated by choosing this option, and then choose Continue. The last step is a summary, so you can see the current settings. You can use the Go Back button as necessary to make changes from this point. If you do not need to make changes, you should choose Finish. You have completed the Setup Wizard. You are now ready to create grade items and categories. Let's add a grade item. Click on Create New Grade Item. The most common grade item is numeric. Let's choose that type now. This will be your grade column. Give the assignment a name. If the name is long, give a short name to save space in the gradebook view. Choose a category or create a new one. Type in the maximum points for this item. There are a few options here. Please read them and then choose which you prefer. If you will possibly add points manually later, beyond the maximum, you should choose the option that this can exceed the maximum points. If this grade item is a bonus assignment and you don't want it to count against those who don't do this item, check the box next to bonus. If this grade item is not part of the final calculations, check this box. You can add a rubric if you want students to see what criteria you used. You may want to choose some of the display options also, such as if you want the class average to show to users after the first 2 students have turned in their work and it has been graded. Finally, choose Save and Close, and you will have just created a column in your gradebook. Congratulations! And here is the column. If you have other questions or you need assistance, please contact the Center for Teaching and Learning. You can call the help desk or you can enter a help ticket and someone on our team will be glad to get back with you. Thank you.